Hey folks, I've got my Echo chainsaw here. It's a 16-inch chainsaw. CS352 is the model number, and it's time for tune-ups. Running a little bit rough. I've got this tune-up kit that I bought. It's an Echo tune-up kit, and it's specifically for this version of the chainsaw, but it's got an air filter, a spark plug, and a fuel filter. And I bought this kit off of Amazon. I think they sell this at Lowe's and Home Depot, possibly also. I'll put a link in the description if you want to see what the kit number is. Should go without saying to do this when the engine's cool. So in this case, the engine's cool. First thing I'm gonna do is open these clips here to get at the spark plug and air filter on this top, these clips on both sides of the housing here. I'm just gonna pull this off. To get this off, it's gonna spin it counterclockwise a little bit, and then it'll pull up. It's got these little clips on it. That's why turning it opens it. Take the new one, and then just have it rotated partly on the way back, and spin it. That one's done. Simple. Next thing is to replace the spark plug. We're going to pull this spark plug wire off, and then it's a 19mm socket. Sometimes these are a bugger. They're in there really tight from the factory, so you sometimes have to really wrench on them. But take that one out. Here's the new plug, obviously much cleaner. The gap is supposed to be 26 thousandths. This, I just checked it, it's accurate from the factory like that right out of the box, so I didn't have to make any adjustment. So I'm just gonna turn this in. Echo manual says that this is supposed to be torqued to 110 to 150 inch-pounds, but really I think it's fine to just tighten it snugly hard and not get overly worried about it. But if you really want to know the torque, 110 to 150 inch-pounds, that's good. Put the boot back on. Now we're done up top. Just put this back on. Tighten the latches. Now for the fuel filter. Alright, I've drained it. To get this out, you want something like a hook, or you can take a wire or anything like that. First, to pull the cap all the way out, this little retainer just pulls out. Keep that clean. And then the hook is for fishing out the fuel hose, like that, and the fuel filter is attached to it. So there's that, and you can see this hose has a little clamp on it, that metal wire around it. So I'm just gonna pull this, see if I can do it by hand. Yep, that's the old one. Take the new one, see if I can shove it in there, just kind of twist it, keep that little wire cap there. It's the hose clamp, more or less. Just gonna twist it back and forth to get it all the way in there, and then you can see that I've got this hose clamp, and I can feel it. It's underneath a little lip of the fuel filter nozzle, so that's good. So now just pop that back in, put this back in, and there we go. That's all there is to it for the tune-up. Hopefully that was helpful. You can like and subscribe if you don't mind, but otherwise, good luck to you. Thanks for watching.